Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning, and today I have new logs from X-Man, log picker X-Man. Yesterday I have mail call mail, and I take this box, and there was 3 logs, this malware, 1 malware, 2 stars SKG. Okay, and this is his looking, how his look, I mean K and high of case. I put in log WD, and and that's all. So we have this malware. I try to pick him now. We have this DOM, very interesting log. 2. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. And the third log, this is Winghouse XR51. 51, yes. I have one log like this. Very not friendly log. Open key away. If I don't know about this log, nothing. So, and I look on this log, I was think this is not will difficult opening, but this is big mistake. This is this lock and Chavo. This is 2 locks what I meet with open profile and very not friendly, no picking. Chavo more difficult from this. Chavo not have special pins. Chavo have standard pins. All pins in Chavo standard. But K away and this down point here, this problematic here. And here, game of special pins here not change very many. And that's all. Just a moment. 08 I want here. Yes. And we make this moment. Yes. I use this tool multi-pick 04 and 2 high pins. I don't know, maybe I want to use this tool too, and not maybe I make this now. This is first time I try to use with this tool. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Third, asking. Okay. Second, asking. First, more from second. Okay. 3. Not finished, but 4. Ask, not bad. Nice. Little move of rotor. This is good. Nice. This was third. and first, second, third, four, five, and six. Nice. So, and now I want to get him, and I make quick record I make, and now just I put tools, if not on the place, so because I think I use another tool, so I have to remain careful. Okay. Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen. Just a moment. I need to clean myself from WD. Yes, but where is cleaner? Cleaner. I found, and okay. So what we have here? Nothing. Steel pins, all pins steel, and this is what nice. I like this in Germany locks. I think this is steel. I'm not sure, but looking, yes. And this have two mushrooms, 5 and 4, high pin and low pin, and that's all. Why here two stars of SKG? This is I don't understand. If this lock have two spools and open so easy, why 2 stars? I don't really. Maybe this is something what I not understand full. Maybe this is another thematic, but this is strange. Okay, but this is not my problem. This is problem of SKG. Very good lock, very nice lock. No, like lock, this was a good lock. Maybe I not agree with 2 stars. This is another story. And here not was place for 6 pins. So this is number 2, this is number 1, and here I need to change. This is the 1 driver pin, 1 high on the, but this was first, this was second. So that's all. I don't know what to say. I believe it was interesting, and I believe Dom will, after getting with something interesting more, maybe not. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice time, have a nice day, have a nice good great weekend, everybody in my country, citizens of my country. Have nice good weekend, and all good to everybody. Bye bye.